So we're going to learn about array. Well, array is data structures, part of data structures, and then inside array we can store like numbers, strings, an object, or dictionary, which we can distinguish from a key value pair, so that we have a specific value that associated to the key, right? And this is what it is about array. In JavaScript, we can store a lot of different type of data, right? So in this array, we need to think about like efficiency of the memory, right? So that's why we have this different type of array that we can store and we can manipulate it. So we don't want to store like a bunch of different type of data in one array. That will be very inefficient, right? So we just want to store specific type of data in array, so that we can move fast and very efficient. So yep, that's why we have a different type. Even in integer we have 8 bytes, right, and unsigned 8 bytes, right, and different type of as you can see, like 16 bytes of array in integers, which means minus and plus, positive and minus is allowed, and positive and negative isn't allowed here. So yeah, that's for JavaScript. And we also have a float. So yeah, and this is how we initialize it, right? We get the byte size, and it will take array buffer. So basically, buffer is like, hey, you can allocate this much of bytes inside this new array, this buffer, right? And we can allocate that buffer size in different type of array. So either integer 16 bytes or unsigned, right? And as we can see, like the length and everything, so we can see that. And when we try to access the value of the data, then we have to use view, right? So that way we can see what's inside the array. So here 0, 0, 0 is the array, what the data, what's inside the view, right? So the challenge is we are asking to do allocate the buffer size of 64 and int 32 array type. So that's what we are told to do. So we're gonna declare byte size, and right here we will have 64 byte, and we will allocate buffer, which is array. Oh, sorry, that will be buffer array, right? Array buffer. So array buffer, and we will allocate that. And inside here we have new, and then it will be int 32 array, and that will be buffer. So that way we can allocate it. And as you can see, it's pass. What if we want to look at what's inside the memory that we just allocated? We can look at inside like this, console log. Sorry, console.log, and then i32 view, and then there. So that's the one that we are looking for. So this is index, right? And this is the value. So it's automatically assigned to 0. So that's it for array type. And we're going to learn the next different one.